Welcome back, everybody, to the Crypto Sherpa channel. Hope you're doing great. As you can tell, I made it to Leominster, Massachusetts at the new Bitcoin Band Crypto Club up here. Let me do a little zoom around. We are closed at the moment, so no one's in here. I can give you a little brief tour of the zoom around. Woo, my little setup. Come on, go, 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 go. Yeah, this place is huge. A big stage over there. This is like literally like almost like it's 3 stories tall, but there's even a basement. So is that technically 4? And then you got the other rooms over there, and yeah, it is crazy, y'all. Let me get this camera back this way. There we go. So yeah, I am here. I'll be here till at least Wednesday. We'll be having a class on Tuesday too with Heidi and myself. So come to the class. But yeah, addresses down below. Sign up, become a member, and yeah, check this place out. It's awesome. But yes, let's get back to the news article on what's been happening. I haven't been posting in like 4 days, but it looks like Germany finally got their act together, right? Yeah, because HODL instead of sell. German MP criticizes government's approach of selling Bitcoin. Kotar criticized the German government for selling Bitcoin, contrasting it with the US considering Bitcoin as a strategic reserve currency. Now, German member of parliament and Bitcoin advocate Johann Kotar has called on the government to halt its rapid Bitcoin sell-offs. Kotar argued that this is neither sensible nor productive and believes that the Bitcoin should be adopted as a strategic reserve currency to safeguard against economic instability. So, finally. Like, right? Don't follow the US and what they're doing. It's like, why? Don't do it. Like, you guys already have a great like reserve. And I think America still has quite a big one thanks to the Silk Road, the whole Mt. Gox situation and everything. Let them do that. I'll buy up that bag. We already know Michael Saylor's buying up the bag from this dip we've had. I think we're going up. We're at 56. Will we touch 47? We don't know. Like, I've been Monitor Investor, those other guys I listen to. It's like they believe it'll be a fast turnaround. Like, so it's not a slow bleed, but yeah, so it looks like Germany's just right on track. And like, wait. Let's just keep this right now. So way to go. But let's continue. Joanna Kotar criticizes the German Bitcoin sell-offs. In a July 4th post on X, Kotar expressed her concerns about the government's current strategic stating instead of holding Bitcoin as a strategic reserve currency, as it already is being debated in the USA, or our government is selling on a large scale. And that is her post right there going like, why? Why are we doing that? Now, Qatar highlighted that a further sell-off of Bitcoin is neither sensible nor productive, emphasizing that Bitcoin could serve as a valuable asset for diversifying the country's treasury. She also pointed out that holding Bitcoin could help protect against inflation and currency devaluation. So, like, guys, the rest of the world is listening and paying attention. Like all last week, they're going, oh yeah, US is selling, Germany is selling. Now this pops in the news, like I'm sure they're going to hear it too. Wait, they're not? They're changing their mind. And now it's like, this is Germany and not just El Salvador. El Salvador was pretty tiny, but in my eyes, crypto community, like that was huge news when they made it legal tender and everything. But the world is getting on board and seeing that the US is done. They want to protect their treasury now. Like, why do you think Michael Saylor's on the Bitcoin standard? That one company in Japan is on the Bitcoin standard, slowly adding more to their Bitcoin treasury. The supply is going to be gone, guys. Get your Bitcoin while you still can. Come to the club to learn about it, but let's also continue this article because, guys, you got to wake up. Like, the world is realizing the value of Bitcoin, and just a little bit could help you out. Now, data from the cryptocurrency intelligence platform Arkham reveals that over the past month, the German government sold 8,611 Bitcoin, resulting in a net portfolio change of 820 million at current prices. Following the sales, Germany now holds 41,226 Bitcoin, valued at approximately 2.28 billion US dollars. And again, like, they're valuing it in US dollars. The biggest thing people can't wrap their heads around is that, like, the currency's done. So why are you expecting like the $1 million Bitcoin? Like, is that going to be in the old currency? Is it going to be on our new standard? It's people are going to have a hard time wrapping their head around what Bitcoin's true value is going to be. But yeah, but at least holding this 41,200, Germany's still in a good place. Maybe they'll start re-adding to their bag again. Maybe. We'll see. But the German government's Bitcoin sales and Mt. Gox payout. Recent movements reported by Crypto Potato indicate that German government transferred approximately 1,300 coins valued at around 75 million to centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Suspicious regarding Bitcoin sales were initially raised concerning the wallet association with the German Federal Criminal Police Office, BKA, on June 19th. This wallet made a transfer of 6,500 coins valued at over 425 million in the time. Now, these assets were seized in 2013 when the BKE confiscated nearly 50,000 Bitcoin from the operators of Movie 2K to a widely known film piracy website. Meanwhile, Justin Sun, founder in the Tron blockchain, recently teased his readiness to engage in negotiations with the German government to acquire all BTC off market. I am prepared to negotiate with the German government to acquire all BTC off the market, Sun stated on X. So yeah, again, guys, like people are going to be buying these cells because they don't want to get on the exchange. It's like you're wondering, like, why are all these big guys like, why are they going to these? They want to strike deals with them. It's because if they buy on the exchange, the price of Bitcoin goes up. If they strike a deal and make it peer-to-peer, which is what crypto and blockchain is all about, that doesn't fluctuate with the price. So that's how these big elites and big whales out there can acquire so much without affecting the price. You're going, what? All these guys are buying so much. Why is the price not affected? It's because this is what they're doing. But yeah, like what we said, like it doesn't matter if these guys are selling, somebody's going to be buying it up and filling their bags. And I'm just trying to grab as much of it as I can. Now, the German government's ongoing sale of Bitcoin isn't the only factor influencing the crypto market. The anticipation of 9 billion compensation payouts to creditors of the collapsed cryptocurrency exchange Mt. Gox has also been linked to the recent decline in Bitcoin prices. Now, Bitcoin value has dropped below 55,000, a level not seen since February, and the reports of Mt. Gox transferring about 47,000 Bitcoin worth 2.7 billion to a new wallet ahead of the payout is what happened. And yeah, so that was writing was 55,000 or beneath that, but whew, Bitcoin's at 57 right now. Woo! Let's go, Bitcoin. Keep rising. I think I'm making a trade, so Theta, stay down. I want to buy more too of that one. But yeah, so that's the Germany stopping their sales of the Bitcoin. So yes. So if you've been curious on what's going on or just wondering why were they doing it, it's like, are they going to stop? Well, we got our answer. They're stopping, they're not selling, and they see it beneficiary to have it on their treasury. And I guarantee many, many more states are going to be coming out and announcing that news because just the timing is just right, and that's really going to affect the price of Bitcoin. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this article. Read through and my kind of rants. I got to record this way since I don't have a second monitor. So when I have the news article recording like this, I can't see it anywhere. So if I take it off, I can't read the article. It's like, what? I'm blind. So yeah, maybe I get another monitor in here. I'll just keep recording like this style. That's cool too. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come on down to Leominster, Massachusetts. I am here until Wednesday. I think I'll probably leave in the morning or afternoon. But again, class on Tuesday. Come on down and check out this place. It's pretty awesome. So until next time, guys, the Crypto Sherpa is out.